Hey guys, welcome to our Azure Learning YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna see top 5 secrets and mysteries I'm gonna reveal in this video. Okay, so I hope this video gonna help you well. Let's see that. Okay, so in this introduction part, okay, so literally we're gonna see the top 5 things we're gonna see about Azure. Let's see everything. That's what we're gonna see in this presentation. First one is Phantom outages. For example, which is to get an idea, imagine you and your friend trying to open the same site. Okay, you can't access it, but your friend can access that site easily. This is something called Phantom effect. It feels like website is down, but it's not down for everyone. See, so far that in this scenario, what I explained, the company website is hosted on Azure. Employees in USA can't access it, but people are in Europe are using it without any issues. Okay, so this is what Phantom outages. Okay, so why does this happening? This can happening in this regional issue due to some network glitches, and also in some cases it can happen on DNS delays. Okay, so this was the case, and then Vanishing VM. What is this vanishing VM? See, imagine you have a virtual computer in Azure. One day you'll just log in into check it, but it's gone. You didn't delete it, and then no one touched it. But whenever you try to connect, it doesn't respond. This is something called vanishing VM. Okay, it feels like virtual machine has disappeared, but in reality, it's still there. Okay, so to get an idea, I just took this example. See this. A company had a VM running perfectly. Suddenly, it stopped responding. They thought it was deleted. So after the investigation, they found the issue. What the issue? They found that Azure had automatically changed that IP address because it was not set to static. If it's dynamic, your VM endpoint would change continuously. Okay, not only this dynamic IP issue, in some cases it can happen on network security rules, and also if your VMs are in a stopped state, and also if your resource located in the another hidden resource group means this can happen. Okay, after that, your data never left. Okay. See, imagine a company moves its data to Azure. Okay, so they just thinking it like everything they have transferred and then they have transferred and everything securely. That was their thought. But actually, they had some cache contents over there. See, it is similarly like if we are moving to the new house, but some of our stuff will be in the still in the old place, right? Similarly, like that. So that the situation is something like something called the data that never left. So to get the full idea, I just took this scenario to you. A company migrates its website, product images, and documents to the Azure. Everything is setting up, and they assume the old files are gone. However, customer visiting the site still seeing the old products and images and documentation. Okay, so why these issues are happening? See, the old images and documents were cached in the Azure CDN. Generally, why we are using the CDN, Content Delivery Network, to avoid the access latency. Correct. So, so that we are configuring this. And if we are not configured the CDN properly, means this issues would come. Okay. So how we can tackle this? It's very easy. Only the thing is we need to clear the cache, and also we can set the cache expiry date, and then we can invalidate the cache, which means we can invalidate that cache using the tools. Okay, while the migration, which is preferable to avoid this issue. Okay, and then this also can happen. The global disappearance. What is that global disappearance? See, um, imagine a situation where a company's entire cloud infra suddenly becomes inaccessible globally. Okay, employees couldn't access the servers, and then the website goes down. Okay, so not only it's not happened on one country, it's happened everywhere. Okay, so this is something called global disappearance. Okay, so to get a complete idea, I took this scenario. See this one. See here, a company runs its global e-commerce website on Azure. Okay, one day the website suddenly goes down for everyone. So no matter where they are located. Okay, employees are in USA, UK, and India, unable to access that application which they are hosted in top of Azure. So after the investigation, what they got it is the major network failure happened on the region's data center. So that this issue caused. Okay, how we can prevent this cause actually? So here, if you are expecting high availability, you can use multiple region, and also you can implement the failover techniques. Failover technique means DR setup, disaster recovery, that people are telling it like BCP, business continuity plan, that you can enable it. And then you need to monitor the global services status. Okay, if you're gonna do these things, you can avoid this global disappearance issue. Okay, and then what is that ghost log? Okay, you may heard about this word. For example, um, a company, a company's employees try to log in their Azure portal to access their resources. Okay, so they have entered the credential, and then it seems like it's successful, but they couldn't find anything inside, and they couldn't do anything inside. So this was ghost logging. Okay, so when this would happen? When this would happen? See, to get the proper idea, I just took the scenario to you. See, a company employees try to log in their Azure portal. Okay, so just before I said one scenario, right? That was I defined here. So systems and all showing it like logged in, but they couldn't interact in the portal. So what this issue? See, the thing is, um, their credential is logged in. Sometimes session would expire. Okay, so this was the issue. So you don't worry about it. It's a very simple issue. So this can comes in some rare cases. So what you can do this? What you can do for this? Simple way, by clearing your browser cache and cookies, you can sort out this issue. Okay. In addition to that, if any IP-based restrictions which you gave, so this can happen, but that was the rare case. In most of the case, this issue would cause from the browser cache. If you're gonna remove that, you can sort out this issue. Okay. So yeah, that's it guys. In this video, I hope this video helps you well. In this video, we have discussed about 5 interesting mysteries in the Azure. Same like in the next videos, I'll try to get more mysteries, and which I hope those things also would helps you well. And yeah, and then one more important thing, guys. After this, I'll give my um, community WhatsApp group link in the video's description. Just join on the group, and there itself you can get more Azure related updates, and also you will get more job update as well. Okay, so that's it, guys, in this video. In the next video, I'll come up with an interesting topic. Thank you, everyone. Bye.